Hi, Mike Genova, President of Leisure Concepts. Out in the plant, trying to give you a little brief overview of what we do to make sure that every Smartop that comes out of our plant has gone through every checklist and the closest criteria we can put it through to make sure it's perfectly put together and polished and checked off so that it gets to you in the perfect shape that it can be. First and foremost, after it's produced, is we run it through an extensive polishing program. To do that, we have Serena Henry here, who runs all of our polishing in our QC. Tell us a little bit of what you do to get it perfect and make sure it's perfect.
All right, well, I am the last station here on Smartop, so I am the last one who gets to view the Smartop before it gets shipped to the customer. We do have a 10-point checklist that makes sure that it is the right size, the right color, and has everything that it needs to be installed by the customer. I do a detailed inspection of the entire top, all 4 sides, and then I also clean the top. We have our super polisher here that gets off all of the deep blemishes. We then have our furniture polish, which we use to make the whole thing nice and shiny with our buffer.
And then any cleaner that has solvent that has to be cleaned, you can use that also.
Yep, we use the simple green just to shine up the aluminum to make sure that it is looking perfect for you.
Right, and if there's any marks in it in any shape or form, what happens?
We go ahead and move it back down the line and readdress those issues.
Okay, okay, thank you. And if it's perfect, then it goes where? To packaging?
That is correct, sir.
Okay, and so we're going to show you what that packaging looks like after this. Okay, so now we're out here after polishing and detail checking. Now we're here at the packaging process. The first step in packaging is the guys take the Smartop and they wrap it with a plastic wrap just to make sure that there's nothing that can get to the actual product itself. Go ahead, guys, and show them what we do with the plastic. Of course, we just put the bag all the way over, we wrap it, we tape it shut, keep it tight. After the Smartop's been put in its own plastic wrap, we move it over to this table over here. This is where we start putting all the foam around all 4 sides, all the top and the bottom of foam. There's a protective box on the top and the bottom, and there's even honeycomb protective wrap around it. And then, on top of that, we put a full foam box all the way around. Go ahead and show what we do, guys. So then we tape cardboard all the way around it. After the Smartop has been put in all of its cardboard wrap, and all the foam has been surrounded by the whole Smartop, then we go to another extent and we put the Smartop in a white plastic wrap and we heat seal the plastic wrap so that the heat sealed bag keeps it from any kind of moisture getting in there. Then that wrap is then holding everything in place, tight and everything else. Then the guys will then take each individual Smartop and place it on a pallet with other Smartops. And we will then band the Smartops to the pallet and ship it to your location. So as you can see, we go to great lengths to make sure that the Smartop gets to you in the best shape possible. Thank you.